Hey everybody, it's Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in Summery, Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this ACT reading question. So this question is giving us two big clues up front. It wants us to look at the first paragraph, and it wants us to look for something that's not there with this word except. That's a little tricky because three of the answer choices can be found in the first paragraph or can be reasonably inferred from the first paragraph. One of them cannot. So let's go to the passage and see what we can get from it before we address these answer choices. Now you want to read this whole first paragraph before going to the answer choices and checking what is derived from the answer choices or reasonably inferred. It might help to take notes along the way, or at least underline specific details that help you learn what's going on in the paragraph before looking at the answer choices. Let's go ahead and do that now. We have the phrase, "the horses came to a stop." We also have the phrase, "in the mire." We also have the phrase, "back to Blackheath." Now you might underline other phrases you think are important along the way, but don't linger too long on the first paragraph here because you're going to have to come back and check when you get to the answer choices anyway. So get a good idea, get some details, get some knowledge about what's going on, then head to the answer choices to do POE or process of elimination. So checking the answer choices should be fairly straightforward because again they have to be reasonably inferred from the first paragraph. The right answer choice will be the one that doesn't match or the one that was not derived from the first paragraph, indicated by that word except. So answer A is okay because we know or we could see that they might be coming from Blackheath. We saw that phrase, so answer A is gone. That phrase, "in the mire," could tell us that D actually would be something we could infer from the first paragraph, that they're in a wet marsh-like terrain. Answer C, the group had already stopped several times on their way. We know answer C is all right because of that phrase telling us the horses stopped several times already. Okay, that leaves us with answer B. And if you were to go back to the first paragraph, you'd see that there's not really any mention or any support for the first person walking ahead to make sure everything is safe. There's nobody out there checking. So there you go. That's how you answer a question with except on the ACT reading section. If you'd like help on questions like this one, these tricky except questions, or in ACT reading in general, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen, or scroll down on our blog if you're reading there to that tutoring banner at the bottom of the page. See you next time.